well, probably where my favorite place that we performed, my favorite place was actually in Cuba, Havana. We played at the Tropicana
Oh, the Tropicana.
nightclub. Of course, this was back in the 70s
Mm-hmm.
when of course the Cold War was cold, and I mean, and Cuba was no, So Michael Manley was Prime Minister of Jamaica, and they said, "You want to go to Cuba?" And we being adventurous and young, I've said, of course. And man, we had great time in Cuba. I'm telling you, the people, we became the number one band in Cuba. And of course, we met Fidel Castro. And we performed at the Karl Marx Theater that holds 5,000. And we sold out every night, you
Wow.
know. And to this day, a lot of people see us, who've been to Cuba and say, Pablo Cinco. And they remember us. Of course, unfortunately, we couldn't make any money. So we just did it for the love.
Wow.
Unfortunately, Cuba